in touching the music to my whole family. Thank you so much. And big thanks to Ed for doing all the heavy lifting. I've put a couple of these things together now, and I know how much work goes into it. So there's a lot of emails back and forth, and so big hand for Ed. I guess guitars don't get tuned either. I tuned a minute ago. And really so awesome that we can raise some money for the Historical Society in Woodstock. And I love this town. Currently live here, but really just delighted to help raise money for this great cause. My dad wrote a beautiful song that Levon Helm covered, and we're going to do it now. It's called Golden Bird. Walking along on a path in the mountains, I saw a bird flying way up high. Gold were its wings in the sun of the morning, flashing at me as it flew through the sky. Its beauty was such, I felt I must have it. Chased it all day, nearly into the night. Finally angered that I couldn't catch it, determined that I could stop and cry. I found a rock by a mountain stream flowing, rounded and smooth by the water's fast flow. It felt so warm and alive in my hand. It was an arrow, my arm was bow. And a flashing of wings and a cry pierced the air. Fluttered and fell to the rocks at my feet. Weeping I lifted the thing that had fallen. Blood stained my hand, tears wet my cheek. As I lay in my bed, I heard the sound of wings in the air. The room became bathed in warm golden glow. I opened my eyes, once they're there. Didn't you know when you hurt me so cruelly? I was your love, I was your